Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial and I'll be showing you how you can fix your Instagram story music not showing issue on your device. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing first, before getting started, make sure to update your Instagram application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So let's say that you want to actually upload a story and add a music to it, and what you have to do is, in order to add a music, you'll have to open up your Instagram application. So after you open up your Instagram application, tap on your story. So then select the image that you want to upload it as your story, just like that. So once you're done selecting the image, next, in order to add music, tap on the smiley icon right on top, and after that you have a different features. So you can see right at the bottom there is music option. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you have a list of music. Now in case if you want to add a certain music and you're not able to find it, or it says that the music isn't found, so it might be that the music is not available on your region. So the other thing is that in case if you have a business account, then you can simply switch it to personal account. So all you have to do is just simply tap on your profile icon, and after that tap on the try bar icon in the top right, and then tap on settings. After that, scroll down right to the bottom and you have an option as switch account type right over here. So after you tap on it, you can see that there are two different options. Now you'll have to tap on switch to personal account. So the other alternative, what you can do is, in case you want to post a certain music that you like and it's not available on your region, what you can do is you can simply install a VPN and then switch your location to some other country that has the app. So those were the few methods on how you can fix Instagram story not showing on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.